Kia ora folks, my name's Matt and I have fibromyalgia. Today I want to introduce my movement menu. I'm out here walking around, so I thought that would be a good time to do that. So what this, before I do that, a check-in. I haven't checked in on my fibro for a little while. Things have been okay. Pain levels are probably on the medium kind of scale, medium to low, but fairly constant, but not enough to stop me from doing stuff. So that's that. And yeah, I've decided, I think fibro sufferers, I think it's quite common for us to struggle to start the day, and I've been starting off my days really slow for about a year, I guess, and that's okay, but I thought maybe it's time for a change, and I'll get up and try and go for a wander every day first thing. And so far so good. This is day 3, so we'll see how we go. I've had some lovely days, which helps. We'll see how it goes when the weather gets a bit nasty. Anyway, yeah, fibro is pretty good at the moment as far as that goes. So this playlist, I've called it something like the movement menu. I'll link it below. I think the number one piece of advice that comes out when people talk about how to help recover from fibro is movement. People say exercise, but I think that's a dangerous word for us because it's really easy to over-exercise and then you're stuffed, and the feedback loop is not positive like it is when you exercise, get a little bit sore, a day later feel better, exercise again, and you get that positive feedback and that fitness loop. If any of you have ever done any training, you know what I mean. When you have fibro, you just don't get that. You train hard, you crash, and you end up in a worse place than you were before you trained. So you really have to move every day if you can, gently, and really not push too hard, but you have to push a little bit. It's such a very, very fine balance. So this playlist is just a bunch of options. Yoga, stretching, walking, all the things that you can do. So you can get up in the morning and go, all right, today I'm going to choose to just do some gentle stretches. Today I'm going to choose to do a 20-minute yoga routine, and there'll be eventually, maybe not straight away, but eventually there'll be options to choose from in this playlist. So hopefully that will be helpful for some of you out there. For me, for the most part, I'm just going to stick to walking. But every now and again, I'll check back to the playlist and think about how can I mix it up a bit? What could I do today that's a little bit different, that's not going to hurt me, that's going to help me? Number one piece of advice for people with fibro to help improve symptoms is movement. Get out there, people, do it within your limits, and yeah, enjoy the life as much as you can. Cheers, guys.